Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this particular wig that I have on my head is coming from Amazon. It's coming from the Siyun company, actually a Siyun show company on Amazon. So this is probably about my second review for them, but this is actually probably one of my favorite ones. So before we get into it, I have to always say this title. Everybody knows when we team up and we tame up with another company. So it is official to say that me and the Siyun company of Amazon have tamed up to bring you guys another curly girl review. This particular unit that I have on my head is actually a 360 unit. This is it has a 13 by 4 parting space, and it actually is, I'm actually able to actually put this on top of my head and wear it into a ponytail or a bun. But you guys know I don't do that, so we're not even gonna attempt to do that. This was actually their deep wave in, I believe, 28 inches of deep wave hair, so it's extremely thick. The card actually told me that this was 180 density, but to be totally honest with you, it actually feels more like 200. So it's actually a really good deal, especially when you're getting that from Amazon, because it's very difficult to find 200 density anything on Amazon, and it's actually good quality. Like I said before, this is actually like my second or third time working with this company, and the hair quality is highly impeccable. The hairline, if you can tell, like, is definitely translucent, very I said translucent like powder. That's not what I was supposed to say. It's actually transparent, if I can get the words correctly. It's actually transparent. I did pluck mine around the hairline just a little bit because there was a little bit of line of demarcation. Sometimes that doesn't bother some people, sometimes it does. So with me personally, I wanted mine to look a little bit more seamless. So what I did was actually pluck it a little bit more around the hairline, trim down the baby hairs, and then of course just laid them normally. I did not pluck this unit because I loved how full it was and how thick it was, and I kind of knew that I was going to wand curl her out and let the curls do their own thing, as you can tell. Yeah, but yeah, I did like the 3/4 inch curling wand, curled it up really nicely, and just did the fold over method, so that way it'll just be doing its own thing. And the older that the curls get, the better that they look. I will do a review, not a review, but I will be doing a video of how to keep wand curls lasting for more than a couple of days, just a day, because there is a certain method to actually keep the curls intact, especially if you like your curls like this, where it's like falling type of wand curls. The hair quality is highly impeccable. I would definitely will say this was actually one of my favorite units. They have one more unit that I want to get, and I hopefully they give it to me. It's really pretty. It's 30 inches, so we about to check out their 30 inches. But so far, the 28 inch deep curl, I actually love this really well. Like I said, I'm waiting to see how well it drops later on, but this is not the natural state. I will show a picture of its natural state right here. So this is actually what it looks like when you first get it. This is what it looks like when you've curled it. I did tack mine down doing the got to be glued method. I didn't use actual hard-core adhesive, just I did the got to be glued method. So if you want to know how I do the got to be glued method, just look down below. The links will be below of how I actually tack this down doing the ball cap method and actual tacking the wig down. Also, this hair is 100% human hair, so you must treat it accordingly. And of course, if you guys ever pay attention now, I start updating some things with the videos. I actually give you guys little tidbits on how to take care of this unit. Now I'm actually going to start telling what products to actually use for these units. And of course, I'll actually do a separate video. But nevertheless, this wig is beautiful. I love the way the curls are. It's definitely giving me Tiana Taylor vibe, especially old Tiana Taylor. When she first came out, she had the big curly hair and it looked perfect on her. So I definitely say that this is a winner chicken dinner. And if you guys ever want to cop this unit, definitely hit that link down below. Go over there and see them at the Siyun company, and definitely tell them that the Tame One sent you. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye.